Nice! Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how easy it is to remove a background from a photo. I've made a video on this topic before, but it required downloading an app. However, in this video you won't need to do that. Removing backgrounds on Photoshop can be long and sometimes it's a boring task. First you have to unlock the layer and then carefully use tools like the wand tool to remove as much as you can. And then you spend even more time erasing the parts that are left behind. Plus, this software is expensive. But don't worry, there's a better solution and it doesn't cost your money. You need to go to this website. And this website simplifies the background removal process with just a few clicks. You can have your backgrounds removed in seconds. From this to this. I simply select upload image, although you can also choose to paste an image URL. However, I won't do that for now. So I upload a picture from my laptop and I'm using the same picture that I was editing in Photoshop. I only want the Formula 1 car and as you can see, the background has disappeared. I'm not completely satisfied with a few aspects of this program. As you can see, the tire isn't perfectly round and there are some ugly bits sticking out. Unfortunately, you can't remove them very well because you can't make the eraser tool smaller. You can try to go over these ugly bits, but sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. Let me show another example. I did the same thing with this picture on the right and I wanted to keep the balls, but as you can see it removes everything and also a section of the car's roof is also missing. So this program will not always do a good job. Then we are going to download it. You can use the first option but it will be quite pixelated, but you don't need to create an account for this. Alternatively, you can go for the second option and it's much better, but you need to create an account for that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I do my best to assist you if you face any issues. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.